Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located from Palatine to near Carroll Stream to near Aurora, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Arlington Heights, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Downers Grove, Glenview, Elmhurst, Lombard, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, Streamwood, and Carroll Stream. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special